Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's focus on the lymphoid neoplasms with their cell of origin. So to begin with, there is the CLP. The CLP stands for the common lymphoid precursor. Then is the BLP. Then pre-B lymphoblast. BLB, the pre-B lymphoblast. Then DN. Then comes the CD4, the CD8 double negative pro T cell, the DP, the CD4, CD8 double positive pre T cell, the GC, the germinal cell GC, then the germinal center B cell, germinal center B cell. Then comes the mantle B cell, mantle B cell, the marginal zone B cell, marginal zone B cell, as well as the naive B cell, the PTC and the peripheral T cell. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.